realistically, the cost will be fronted by Chinese manufacturers anyways. People underestimate how cheap China is able to make shit. It won't be fronted. It won't be fronted by the Chinese. Because, like, where else are you gonna go? It won't be fronted by the Chinese because where the fuck else are you gonna buy items from? Like, I think people underestimate like how difficult what China does as a country like is. You know, like in terms of logistics, in terms of the ports, in terms of all the factories, in terms of the employees, in terms of the materials, like to have that level of logistics to pump out that many products in like such a wide range of like fucking things, and in terms of all the computers, in terms of everything, the cost will just get passed on to the end consumer. So yeah, like it just will. It won't, the Chinese won't take it because like why would they? Like, I don't know, like maybe for some things, like maybe for computers and phones and stuff, it will get kind of like, maybe it won't be as drastic, but like this kind of shit, bro, like where the fuck else are you gonna buy pet beds other than China? Like, like what other country is making pet beds at scale like China is, or is able to make pet beds at scale like China is? Or something like jewelry. Like, where the fuck else is making this many different types of jewelry that fucking China's doing? Like, it's just not possible. Like, bro, all this shit's made in fucking China. Every single fucking thing you're seeing right now is made in China. Like, where else are you able to do this cheap? Not US. US is not possible. So, yeah. Production partner is the biggest fucking scam on Etsy ever. Like, Etsy doesn't require you, but they push you to put in a production partner, and production partners do fucking nothing. It's kind of funny. Like, yeah, I don't know.